In this video, I'll show you how to simply fade to black in Filmora. First, select the clip you want to fade. Then, go to the Video tab and under Basic, look for the Opacity section. Move your playhead to the point where you want the fade to begin. Click the diamond icon next to Opacity to add a keyframe at 100% opacity. Now move the playhead to where you want the fade to end and drag the opacity down to 0%. Filmora will automatically add a second keyframe. When you play it back, your video smoothly fades to black between those 2 points. You can do the same at the beginning of your clip to fade in from black. Just reverse the process, set the first keyframe at 0% opacity and the next one at 100%. To make the fade faster or slower, just move the keyframes closer together or farther apart. And that's it. That's how you fade to black in Filmora. If this tutorial helped you out, consider liking and subscribing for more Filmora tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.